Hi students, now we continue the number system in the lecture 2. So I share the PPT. Now number system continue. Decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal divided by 16 and we keep track of the remainder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 16, question is 77, remainder is 2. 77 divided by 16, question is 4, remainder is 13. 4 is divided by 16, question is 4, question is 0, remainder is 4. So 2 and 13 is equivalent to D. So as you know that 10 is equivalent to A, 11 is equivalent to B, 12 is equivalent to C and 13 is equivalent to D. So answer is 2, 13, 4. 2, 13, 4, it means 2D4. 2D4 is the hexadecimal number equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, so we will write from right to left. So answer will be 4D2. 4D2 is the hexadecimal number equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we see binary to octal. For converting binary to octal, group bit in threes starting on right and convert to octal digits. So here we will take group of 3 bits from right side. So 111, 010, 011 and 1. So 111 is 7, 010 is 2, 011 is 3 and 1 is 1. So answer is 1327, which is equivalent to binary number of 1011, 010 and 111. Now we see binary to hexadecimal conversion. In this case, we take group bits in 4s and starting on right and convert to hexadecimal digits. So the question is 101, 011, 1011. So we start from right, we will take 1011 and 1011 and 10. 1011 is 11, 11 is B, again 1011 is 11, 11 is B and 10 is 2. So answer is 2BB, which is equivalent to 1010, 111, 011. Now we see octal to hexadecimal conversion. For octal to hexadecimal conversion, we can convert octal to decimal and then in hexadecimal, or we can convert octal to binary and then binary into hexadecimal. So we use binary as an intermediary. Okay. So 1076, example is 1076 into hexadecimal. So 6 will be converted into 110, 7 will be, so first we will convert into binary. 6 will be converted into binary, that is 110, 7 is 111, 0 is 000 and 1 is 001. Now we take 4 bits from the right side. So 1110, 1110 is 14, 14 is E, 0011 is 3 and 0010 is 2. So answer is 23E. Okay. Next example. Next conversion, hexadecimal to octal. Again we use binary as an intermediary. So first of all we can convert 1F0C into binary. So C is 12, 12 means 1100, 0 is 0000, F is 1111 and 1 is 0001. Now we take 3 bits from the right side, pair of 3 bits from the right side. So 100, 001, 100, 111, 001 and 0. So 100 is 4, 001 is 1, 100 is 4 and 111 is 7 and 001 is 1. And we will escape the 0 because it is not required. So answer is 17414, which is equivalent to hexadecimal 1F0C. Now see this table and convert your own way from decimal to binary, octal, hexadecimal, binary to octal, decimal, octal and hexadecimal, octal to decimal, binary and hexadecimal to decimal, binary and octal. So these are the answers. You try your own self, and if any doubt, then you can ask me in the next lecture. Okay. Fractions, decimal to decimal. So as we convert 3 to 3, but 1 in 3 to 3, how we convert 3 will be 3, but how we will convert 3 to 3? 3 into 10 to the power 0. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 and 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. We will start from the right side. We will take 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 and 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 and 3 into 10 to the power 0. So we will get 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 is 0.04, 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 is 0.1 and 3 into 10 to the power 0 is 3. We will add this, we will get 3.14. So answer is 3.14, the same as given in decimal. So similar idea we will apply for converting decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal. So first of all, we convert decimal to binary. So for converting decimal to binary, we will multiply by 2, the number multiply by 2, and keep taking the most significant bit, means before point. Okay. So 0.14579 multiplied by 2, we get 0.29158, we take 0. 0.29158 multiplied by 2, we get 0.58316, we take 0. 0.581316 multiplied by 2, we get 1.16632, we get 1. And 0.16632 multiplied by 2, we get 0.33264, and we take 0. And 0.33264 multiplied by 2, we get 0.66528, multiplied by 2, we get 1.33056, we take 1. So answer will be 11.001001 and so on. Okay. So the this is the table where the conversion is required, 29.8 into binary, octal and hexadecimal. So how we convert? So for converting decimal to binary, simply we divide by 2. 29 divided by 2, we will get 11101. But how we will divide? How we will get the fraction? So as we saw previously, 0.8 will be multiplied by 2, we get 1.6, we take 1. 0.6 is multiplied by 2, we get 1.2, that is we take 1. 0.2 is multiplied by 2, we get 0.4, we take 0. 0.4 is multiplied by 2, we get 0.8, we get 0. And again 0.8 is occurs. So therefore 1100 will be repeated. So therefore answer will be 11101.110011 so on. Now convert decimal to octal. So again in this case 0.8 is multiplied by 8, so we get 6.4, so we take 6. And 0.4 into 8, that is we get 3.2, we will take 3 and so on. Now 0.8 is multiplied, in the case of hexadecimal conversion, 0.8 is multiplied by 16, we get 12.8. So 12.8 and 12 is stand for C. And again we get 0.28, again we get 0.8. 0.8 is multiplied by 16, again we get 12.8, again C, it means CC will be occur. So in this way it will be repeated. Now we convert binary 101.1001 into decimal. So 1101, the decimal number corresponding to 101 is 5 and 1101. So 1101, initial one will be multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1, next one will be multiplied by 2 to the power minus 2, 0 is multiplied by 2 to the power minus 3, and 1 is multiplied by 2 to the power minus 4. So 1 into 2 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 2, that is 0.5, 1 into 2 to the power minus 2, that is 1 by 4, that is 0.25, and 0 into 2 to the power minus 3 is 0, and 1 into 2 to the power minus 4, that is 1 upon 2 to the power 4, that is 1 upon 16, and 1 upon 16 is 0.125. And we will add together 0.8125. Now your task is to convert binary number into octal and hexadecimal number. Now we convert octal number 3.07 into decimal, binary and hexadecimal number. Okay. So for converting this, the decimal number corresponding to octal 3 is 3 remains same, and 0 will be multiplied by 8 to the power minus 1 and 7 will be multiplied by 8 to the power minus 2, and we will add these numbers. So 0 into 8 to the power minus 1 is 0 and 7 into 8 to the power minus 2 is 7 upon 64, that is 0.109375, and the final answer is 0.109375. So answer will be 3.109375. Now we convert hexadecimal C.82 into decimal. C is equivalent to 12, so 12 as it is will come over, and 0.82, 4.82, 8 into 16 to the power minus 1 and 2 into 16 power minus 2. So 8 into 16 power minus 1, that is 8 upon 16, 8 upon 16 is 0.8, 0.5, and 2 upon 16 power 2, that is 2 upon 256, and that is equivalent to 0.078125. We will add together, we will get 0.05078125. So answer will be 12.5078125. This was all about number systems and their conversion from one base to another base. Now we see some common powers. 10 to the power minus 12 is pico and symbol is P. 10 to the power minus 9 is nano and symbol is N. 10 to the power minus 6 is micro and symbol is mu. 10 to the power minus 3 is milli and symbol is small m. 10 to the power 3 is kilo and symbol is small k. 10 to the power 6 is mega and the symbol is capital M. 10 to the power 9 means giga and symbol is capital G, and 10 to the power 12 is tera and symbol is capital T. Now we see the common powers for base 2. 2 to the power 10 is preface is kilo, symbol is small k. 2 to the power 20 is mega, symbol is capital M, and 2 to the power 30 is giga and symbol is capital G. And the values are 2 to the power 10 is 1024, 2 to the power 20 is 1048576, and 2 to the power 30 is 1073741824. Now we see the we review the multiplying powers. So a to the power b into a to the power c, it means a to the power b plus c. So we add power in the case of multiplication. Okay. So for example, 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 10 equal to 2 to the power 16, and 2 to the power 16 is 65536 or 64k. Binary addition. So binary addition 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 2, and 2 is equivalent to 1 0. Okay. Now we see the binary addition. So binary addition, the question is 10101 and 11001. So 112, 2 means 0, carry 1, 100 is 1, 10 is 1, 10 is 1, and 1110. Okay, so answer is 10110. This is the answer of the binary addition. How we multiply by decimal number? As you know that, for example, 35 into 105, 5 will be multiplied by 5, we get 25, 5 will be, we put 5 there, and 2 will be the carry, and 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 2, that is 175. Now 0 will be multiplied by 35, we will get 2 zeros. 1 will be multiplied by 35, we will get 35. Now we will add 5, 7, 1 plus 5, 6, and 3. So answer is 3675. So similar will be applied in the multiplication 10 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. Now we see an example of multiplication of 2 n-bit values 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. So 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 1 1 is 1 1 1, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 1 1 is 1, and 0 into 0 0 into all bits will be 0 0 0 0, and again 1 into 1 1 1 0 equal to 1 1 1 0, and we will add 0 1 0 is 1, 1 1 2 2 0 carry 1, 1 1 is 1 carry 1, 1 1 1 1 is 1 carry 1, 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 1 0. So answer will be 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. Thank you.